In this tutorial, we'll show you step by step how easy it is to extract key information from your healthcare insurance claim forms, all within minutes. First, log into your Kudra account. You'll land on your Workflows page. Here you can see a variety of pre-built workflows, but for today, we're focusing on healthcare claims. Let's create a new one. We'll start by selecting what kind of documents you'll be uploading. We're using PDF forms, so we've enabled Import PDF. You can also choose to accept photos or text files if needed. Simply turn on the appropriate toggle. You can also import CSVs or upload them directly to the platform. Next, drag and drop the custom entity extractor into the processing section. This is where the magic happens. We'll teach Kudra which data points to extract from each form. Now let's define the entities. We'll need claimant name, policy number, date of service, description of service, total charges, claimant birth date, and address. We've added all of these, and you can adjust the occurrence type as needed. This tells Kudra how many times it should expect to find each piece of information on the form. For example, optional once means Kudra will look for the information, but it's okay if it's not present. Select optional once or required once as appropriate. Once that's set up, we can save our workflow and navigate to the Projects page. Select your healthcare claim processing project and click Upload to add your insurance claim forms. Now Kudra is processing your documents. This is usually pretty fast. Kudra will automatically extract all specified data points and neatly present them for review. If needed, you can use the Click to Highlight features to easily and accurately locate the extracted data. As you see, all the information we specified is correctly extracted. Download your extracted data or view it here. This information is now ready to be utilized in your system. You can review the data, making sure the information is accurate. You can also easily unclassify or delete any data in case of errors. Kudra is ready to transform how you handle healthcare claims.